Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Quick Tips. Today, we're tackling something super useful. How to withdraw your Stellar tokens from Gemini to your Arculus wallet in 2025. With crypto evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets securely and efficiently, whether you're new to this or a pro. Let's dive right in. First off, before we start, make sure you have a verified Gemini account and your Arculus wallet set up and ready. Double-check your wallet address, it's your key to success here. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Withdraw or Transfer section on the dashboard. It's usually easy to find in the main menu. Step 2. From the list of available cryptocurrencies, select Stellar XLM. Gemini supports a bunch of assets, so pick the right one to avoid any mix-ups. Step 3. Enter the amount of Stellar you want to withdraw. Keep in mind any network fees, always leave a little extra to cover those, as they can vary. Step 4. Paste your Arculus wallet address into the designated field. This is crucial, so triple check for accuracy to prevent losing your funds forever. Step 5. Review all the details on the screen, including fees and estimated processing time. If everything looks good, hit Confirm to initiate the withdrawal. Step 6. After confirmation, you'll get a transaction ID. Head over to your Arculus wallet app or website and monitor the incoming funds. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. A quick tip. Always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms and be cautious of scams. Security is key in the crypto world. And that's it, you've successfully withdrawn your Stellar from Gemini to Arculus. This process keeps your assets in your control. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto smart.